Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play chord changes on acoustic guitar. To start, pick two easy chords, such as G major and C major. Hold each chord for 4 counts, then switch. The goal is to make the transition as seamless as possible without any breaks in the rhythm. Practice this back and forth movement for about 5 minutes daily. This builds muscle memory and finger dexterity for smoother playing. Proper finger placement is crucial for clear chord changes. Make sure your fingers are curved, pressing down firmly just behind the fret wire. Use the very tips of your fingers to avoid muting adjacent strings. Apply consistent pressure, but not so much that your hand tenses up. This balance ensures each note rings out clearly without any unwanted buzzing or dead spots. Timing is everything when changing chords. Start with a slow metronome setting, perhaps 60 beats per minute. Try to anticipate your next chord change by moving your fingers just a fraction of a second before the actual beat. This allows your fingers to land precisely on time. Practicing changes on the and of the beat can also help create a more fluid, rhythmic transition between chords. To master chord changes, consistent practice is key. Work on common progressions like G, C, D, and E minor, as these appear in countless songs. If a specific chord transition is challenging, isolate it and practice that switch 20 to 30 times in a row. Recording yourself playing can also provide valuable insight, helping you pinpoint exactly where your changes need refinement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.